Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to deposit a check in the Barclays app. Guys, first you need to log in to the Barclays app. And then what you need to do is come here and select Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen. And then tap Pay in a Check, okay? Tap on that option, then you need to choose the account. So select the account you want to deposit the check into, right? Enter the amount and reference. You just enter the amount of the check and any reference you need. And then what you need to do, guys, next is take a photo. So you prepare the check, you place the check on a plain, possibly darker background if you have that. Ensure the entire check is visible within the corners of the frame. And then hold your device steady. Okay, and the app will automatically take a photo of the check. And then what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and tap on Pay and Check. After taking the photo, tap on Pay and Check to submit the deposit. And you just need to keep the original check, guys, for at least 10 days after they credit your Barclays account. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.